Da, 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 da.
Hey guys, what's up? How are you guys doing? I don't even know if this is a new vlog at this point or if it's a continuation of something else. I don't know, but hope you guys are doing well. Today is Friday, and in about 3 days time, my little girl, my wonderful child, my amazing little girl is going to be 3 years old. Mia Rose is turning 3 years old. Like, I don't know where all the time has gone. I don't know where all the time went to. Just yesterday, she was a tiny little baby in my arms, and now she's a full-blown toddler. Full-blown toddler. Like, I promised my sister that I was not going to cry. Because my sister knows that me, I'm a crybaby. All right, I'm emotional. And each birthday, you know, that Mia has, I've always teared up, I've always cried. And she has warned me way ahead of time, look, Alma, you cannot cry. If I catch you crying, I'll come there and knock you. But anyways, yeah, Mia is turning 3 in about 3 days time. I'm super excited, but above all, I am super thankful to God. God gave me an amazing little girl. Like, when I was pregnant, I remember vividly praying for a smart child. I prayed for a child that would be smart and wise beyond her years. Aside beautiful, of course, with plenty of hair, I also prayed that she would be smart. And God answered that prayer 1,000 folds. Mia is such a blessing. She is everything I wanted in a child and more. She is so smart. Like, you guys see her every now and again. You guys comment on her, you know, intelligence and how smart she is. My parents cannot get over how smart she is. Even we that are her parents can't get over how smart she is. And it has just been a very surreal 3 years. All right, very surreal 3 years. I just can't believe that she's 3, guys. I was with one of my friends recently, Wura of Wura.ng. I was with her recently, and I was telling her, oh, Mia's birthday is, you know, around the corner. It's end of the month. And she was like, oh, she's gonna be 4 years old, right? And I'm like, no, she's going to be 3. She was like, wait, so you mean that in the last 1 year, Mia has been 2 years old all this time, and she's that smart? Like, she doesn't even look like a 2-year-old, and she doesn't act like or behave like somebody who has been 2 years old all this while. But that's my daughter, guys. Like, I'm just so proud of her. Even in her school, they always let us know how, you know, how good she does in school, how great she is with her subjects. And look, I'm just a proud mother. I'm going to tear up. I promised myself I was not going to tear up talking about this, but I'm such a proud mom. I am such a proud mom. I love her beyond her wildest imaginations. She has an idea what love is, but she has no actual idea how much I love her. And I know I tell her I love you, and she tells me I love you too, but if only she knew how deep my love for her is. I'm so thankful. Oof. All right, I'm so thankful that God deemed it fit to make me the vessel that brought her into this world, to make me her mom. It means the world. I don't take it for granted. Every day I wake up, I'm grateful, I'm thankful for her, and I'm just so proud. So proud of her. So proud of her, guys. You have no idea. Oh, okay, let's stop with the emotional talk before I start bawling my eyes out. The tears are like right here. So anyway, yeah, her birthday will be in the next 3 days. Today is Friday. Her birthday is on Monday, the 28th of March. Usually her birthday would fall during the holiday, during the Easter holiday. At least her last 2 birthdays fell during, you know, Easter holiday period. But her birthday this year, the school is still in session. They are actually writing exams right now, but they won't be vacating until I think upper week, and that's because Easter is farther this year than the last 2 years. Easter is April 17th this year. So yeah, March 28th they are still going to be in school, and to be honest, I'm actually loving that her birthday is falling while she's in school, because I don't have energy to do house party. I don't have strength to gather people and be cooking and be I don't have that strength. So I'm super happy that we get to do a school party for her this year. So what I have in mind are party packs, obviously, for her friends in school. Mia's school is a small school. They were among the pioneer students, so they are just less than 30 in her school, which is great for me. That means everybody in that school, at least every kid in that school, can go home with a party pack on Monday. And yeah, I'm going to book her cake. Let me not forget, I have to book her cake today. And yeah, they'll just go with some drinks. So that's the plan for Monday. But yeah, that's it. She's super excited. I've been letting her know that her birthday is around the corner, and she's excited. I told her that she's 3 years old. She's almost 3 years old, and it's getting to stick in her head right now. That's super exciting. Her party packs actually arrived yesterday. And the person who made these party packs, amazing. All right, let me just go and show you guys what the party packs look like. They are in the living room. The brand is called Treats and Sparkle. Treats and Sparkle. I will leave their handle on the screen, but first let's go and check out these party packs. Okay, so guys, these are Mia Rose party packs. I know, like, it's so extra and I love it. I absolutely love it. Again, the brand is called Treats and Sparkle, and they made just less than 30, because like I said before, she has less than 30 school friends. So yeah, let me show you guys up close. So guys, each party pack has this. I told her, she asked if Mia was currently loving any cartoon characters, and I said Mia is completely obsessed with princesses right now. Completely obsessed with looking like a princess, dressing like a princess, everything princessy. Mia Rose loves. So we just use the princess theme. All right, you guys can see all your favorite Disney princesses, from Jasmine to Cinderella, Snow White, and all of that. And then it's got Mia Rose is 3 on it. All right, so pretty. Can you guys see that we have different ribbons? The blue ones are for the boys, right? And then the ones with pink are for the girls. How lovely is that? Let me just open 1 or 2 of them so you guys can see what we are giving Mia's school friends for her birthday. This is so gorgeous. Like, look at that. So beautiful. So let's open this and see. Okay, so this one is for a boy, obviously, and in here we have popcorn. There is a story book. This one is Bambi storybook. There is a coloring book, right? There is a water bottle. So all the boys are getting like dark colored water bottle like this. Like, these water bottles are so cute. I love the straws. Look at that. So pretty. And there's candy. Kids love candy. Gummy bears, they love this. And then the boys have flashcards, right? So that is what is inside the boys' boxes. And then this is a box for a girl. So let's open up and see. Basically the same things, but just 1 or 2 things that are different. Okay, so inside of the flashcards, the boys are getting flashcards and the girls are getting plates, right? The girls are getting plates. This is so cute. And like, all the boxes are different characters. No 2 boxes are the same. Each box is different, right? And then look at this water bottle, guys. Ah, so pretty. Look at this. And it's got like a princess crown on it. Mia needs to keep one of these ones for herself. One of these boxes, definitely. And the same popcorn, the same candy, storybook, and activity books. So some of them have activity books, some have coloring books, some have join the dots books. It just depends. Some have puzzle books. It all just depends on the box. This particular box has a unicorn plate. Like, look at how cute that is. So pretty. This one, same water bottle, same cute water bottle. Oh, this plate is different. Looks like a bee. Oh, so pretty. Look at that. Look at this one. Oh, this particular one is so pretty. So nice. Look at this. So cute too. Aww, it's so pretty. This one is a dots to dots book. Me personally, I even love doing stuff like this. Little Mermaid storybook inside. So yeah, every box is just different. Every box has like different things in it. So pretty. So beautiful. And you've been so excited, right? You love your party packs?
Yes.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Treats and sparkle. Yes. So thank you so much to Treats and Sparkle for providing these beautiful party packs for Mia's school party. Mia has been so excited. She has been over the moon. She's been super obsessed since this bunch of packs arrived. So happy. Thank you so much to Treats and Sparkle. Thank you. Benue man. Benue man, how far? You dey pound yam? The man that wants to eat pounded yam will do what? We pound his yam. Eh? It's pounded yam, baby. It's pounded yam. Daddy is pounding. It's very soft. Wow. And I love that it's drawing. Very nice. I made open salad. Okay, that's what I was craving. Are you buying yam? It's hot. Can't keep daddy company. Go stay with dad. Benue girl. Benue girl. What are you doing? You're cooking. My open salad, white soup with fresh fish, okporoko, dry fish, everything inside. And just this tiny pounded yam. I don't want to eat much. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing great. So Mia's birthday is in 2 days and today we are going to take her for a photo shoot. See, I legit thought that there will be no shoot this year because I was not in the mood. Like, see, I was not in the mood. But when the father of the celebrant is a photographer, you know that there must be shoot every year. If you like, try and dodge it. So Jesse has said there will be a shoot this year, and yeah, initially he wanted her to have like a princess dress and all that. I'm like, you know what, I don't have strength for all those things. Mia has dresses in her closet. We're going to pull out one dress and do her hair nicely, and she's going to have a simple shoot. Okay, so that is the plan for today. I'm just about to do her hair. I want to pack her hair up in a bun and then use like an afro thing on top of it. We initially wanted to use a hairstylist, but I'm not sure that's going to work today, so I just want to like try and attempt to do the hair myself if I can and see how that goes. And yeah, we can go for the shoot today. So that is the plan. Let me go and see what I can do. Hi. And say hi to them. Hug them. Baby's hair has grown so much, and look at that hair.
Yes,
like, this is. I shouldn't touch your hair.
Yes.
Why?
Don't touch my hair.
Why? Why?
I don't want to touch my hair.
What?
I don't want to touch my hair.
You don't want me to touch your hair? But why though? But you're my baby. Mama, all these ribbons, this is not what I want to use. I want to use... All the ribbon is gone. I'm going to attempt to use one of these buns, right? I wish it was darker, a darker color, but it's what we have.
I'll go too far.
There's no water inside.
Wow, it was like chicken. Yes, I make it picture. Mommy, can I read that one? That one.
They connect without making a scene, but we don't.
My head is beautiful. I'm happy.
You're happy?
Yes.
We don't listen when we talk. I know you have your reasons to yell at me tonight, baby.
My head is beautiful now.
Hello. 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 Look at us looking like American president's daughter. Look at my baby. Wow. You're so pretty. You're so cute.